Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create a Christmas wreath. I'm going to have a giveaway, and I'm also going to create other Christmas decor for giveaway.
This video, I'm very excited because this is going to be my first time making a wreath. And I think it's going to look beautiful, of course. With that said, I am also going to be doing a giveaway for this Christmas. What I'm going to be giving away is a wreath, and I'm going to show you what it looks like because I already created it. Look at that. And I'm going to link the video in the end of this video so you can watch it, okay? And so you can also create it on your own. And in order for you to qualify for this giveaway, you have to be a subscriber. And I would like you to comment below and let me know which one of the giveaway you would like. Now, all the supplies that I'm going to be using is from Michael's. This was $49.99 and I got this for... So, let me show you my foliage that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use 2 of these. Now, the flowers do not have any names. They just have Christmas, Noel on the tags. But this looked like a pine cone, like not pine cone, yeah, a pine cone tree. All right, and they kind of dazzle it and put some berries on it there. So I'm going to be using 2 of this type of pine cone and the 2 of this type. This was on one big stem and I just cut them up in small pieces. Okay, and I have this cute little decorative ball. They're foam ball and they're sprayed gold and red. Okay, I got a sprayed glitter pine cone, 2 accent owls. Cute, sis. Oh my god. And this is a Christmas ornament that I'm going to add to it. I just cut the part to hang it. The other thing actually I'm going to put on it is one of these string lights. I'm going to lay it out how I want it, and then I'm just going to wire it, and then I'll hot glue the rest. So I am going to put the foliage right here. I bend this according to the shape of the wreath.
Hi guys, this video is sponsored by the clinic where I work, Starzik Aesthetics. We provide a comprehensive array of non-surgical aesthetic solutions. Please follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Starzik Aesthetics 814, and we appreciate if you also follow us on Instagram, Starzik_aesthetics. And if you could visit our website, that would be great, starzikaesthetics.com, to see the services we offer. Thank you.
Now, so it's all wired, and what I'm going to do right now is use the hot glue. I just plug it in, and I have the Gorilla hot glue. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. It's big. This is what it looks like so far. It's very pretty. All right, so the first one I'm going to put down here is the owl. Now I stick this in to see where I want them, and I'm going to go ahead, and I like the way it's laid out, and now I'm going to go ahead and just hot glue them. Okay, so I'm going to add them all up here. That's what I'm going to do. This project is completed. I also add some little string lights in the bottom area from here to here. Okay, I'm going to insert a clip here of the final look on my door so you see what it's going to look like. Now, let me come a little closer for you guys to see. There. That is it. So, thank you to Starzik Aesthetics for sponsoring this video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment below if you're interested in the giveaway wreath and the other decor I have. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Remember to check out the other videos that I'm going to be creating for the giveaways, okay? Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.